Welcome to another episode of the Testing Your Strategy series, a series where I analyze and backtest indicators and strategies sent by you in samples with more than 1000 trades, so you can discover its real performance. In this week's episode, I will be showing you and testing a day trading strategy based on the Aroon indicator, which was suggested by the subscriber Eric. So, thank you for supporting the channel and congratulations, you have just won a month of free access to my Patreon Tier 1. So you can have one backtesting bot from this list, which you can access in the description of this video. Tag me on my free Discord channel so I can share with you your prize. If you want to get the same opportunity, you just have to be a channel subscriber and comment your most unique strategy down below using the tag MyStrategy. Because every week I choose the most interesting one to backtest in a video, and the subscriber who suggested it gets free access to one of my strategies coded in Pine script that is on this list. The more comments you make, the more likely your strategy will be chosen. So, without further ado, let's jump to today's strategy. This day trading strategy uses 3 TradingView indicators. By the way, if you want to get $30 to using TradingView, use the link that is in the description. The first one is the Aroon, where you need to change its length to 17, and on the style section you can change the Aroon up line to green and the Aroon down line to red to make the signals easy to see. Then you need to add the Kaufman moving average adaptive by H. Potter, where you need to change the length to 35, and I will also change its color to white and increase its thickness a little bit. And finally, you need to add the choppiness index. Change its length to 19, and on the style section you can turn off the upper and lower bands, turn off the background color, change the middle line color to yellow, increase its thickness a little bit, and change it to a line. The strategy is as simple as clicking on the subscribe button. Every time the Aroon up line crosses above the down one, the choppiness index line is below the middle line and the price is above the Kaufman moving average, it means it's time to enter in the long position. And every time the Aroon lower line crosses above the upper one, the choppiness index line is below the middle line and the price is below the Kaufman moving average, it means it's time to enter in a short position. For the strategy's risk management, you can place the stop losses on the last swing lows for long positions or on the last swing highs for short positions, but I will use the ATR indicator to place them, because for me it's the best and easiest method to do it, and I use it in almost every strategy I share in my free Discord channel. So for this strategy, I will use the formula 1.5 times the ATR pip value to place every stop loss, and the take profits will always be on the 1 to 1.5 risk to reward zone. In order to discover the real performance of this trading strategy, I'm going to code it using Pine script. I will code it and I will be right back.
A few moments later.
Okay, my bot is ready to be used and it's working perfectly. Here we can see that the Aroon up line crossed above the down one, the choppiness index is below the middle line and the price is above the Kaufman moving average. So, we will enter at the close of the signal candle, which is this one. The stop loss value is 1.5 times 17.8, which is 26.7, and the take profit is at the 1 to 1.5 risk to reward zone, so at this level. So, first of all, we can see that my bot entered the position and placed the stop loss and take profit values perfectly. Now, let's fast forward to see what will happen. As you can see, the take profit was easily hit here and the bot closed the trade. Now let's look into a short trade example. Here we can see that the Aroon down line crossed above the up one, the choppiness index is below the middle line and the price is below the Kaufman moving average. So we will enter at the close of the signal candle, which is this one. The stop loss value is 2 times 20.4, which is 30.6, and the take profit is at the 1 to 1.5 risk to reward zone, so at this level. So we can see that my bot entered the position and placed the stop loss and take profit values again perfectly. Now let's fast forward to see what would happen. As you can see, the take profit was easily hit here and the bot closed the trade. As you could see in these two examples, my bot respects all the rules of this strategy and enters and exits from every trade with high precision. And the best part is that it displays every trade on the chart with the stop loss and take profit levels. And all of this in a matter of seconds. If you want to know more about this bot, I will leave a link to it down below. So, without further ado, let's jump to the backtest. I will apply this strategy based on the requests of my subscriber, so on the 1 hour time frame of all the currency pairs considering the 8 major currencies and the Singapore dollar pairs, considering only the London and New York sessions of the data sample corresponding to 2022 and using a 2% risk per trade without compounding any of the profits. I will insert every important statistical information in this Excel to show you the average results. I will speed up the backtest, but you can slow it down in the YouTube settings to check all the results. I see you in a minute. After analyzing over 1,600 trades in 36 different currency pairs with my backtesting bot, here we have all the results. Based on these conditions, the overall win rate of this strategy was about 43.28%, which is acceptable for a strategy that uses a fixed take profit with a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio, and it produced a net profit of 221%. The average drawdown was also quite acceptable, with a value of 15.12%. Therefore, with this backtest, we were able to verify that this strategy is profitable and works on a lot of different currency pairs. In our ranking sheet, this strategy will get the second place, because the last video's strategy was a bit more profitable. Of course, you can try to optimize the indicator settings or use them on other timeframes, markets or with different risk management rules, and I am sure your results will be overwhelming. If you want to speed up that process, you can have full access to my backtesting bot. Instead of taking months to carry out your backtests, you can start doing them in a matter of seconds and with the most realistic and proven results possible, as I have shown you today. Access the links in the description of this video to find out more about my bots. And that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and don't forget to subscribe, share and like it to support me in bringing more content to you. Be well, thank you, bye bye.